Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Good afternoon, or well, it's good evening. I have not I didn't even pick up the camera from morning. Your girl has been tired. It was a late night last night when we got in. Yes, sir. We're playing. Yeah, it was a late night last night when we got in, so I've been very tired. What were you doing? Yeah. So it was a late light. Oh, let me show you guys Faith's nails. She got done. Show them your nails. So Faith got her nails done. These are what she got done to hers.
Yeah, skin tone color.
So they are nice skin tone color.
And the butterfly right here, the tiny one.
Yeah, and I did get mine done.
Got them done the same way.
So we're just here. Family. We're gonna have a little family gathering. You know, just us. Oh, and she got her toes done, and they change color. Hers are interchange. I got mine done, but you know me. I got the nails, the white. So that's.
You can't see when you finish. Cause it hot.
It hurt you. Oh, well, you did it to make it this winter.
No wood me wall up in my hand and I dash it.
So yeah, I've been here. I was taking a post nap. Oh, I was taking a post nap. They're setting up to do some jerk chicken and bread, and we're gonna play some dominoes and just listen to some music and just have some family time. You know, just a little bit of joyful time before tomorrow, as tomorrow is the funeral. So boy, yeah, it's gonna be that moment. So we're just here. So that's what we're doing, because tomorrow is funeral day. And yeah, and today is actually mark 1 year of Mario's mother passing. For those that don't know and just new to our channel, both his parents passed away in the same year. One at the beginning
and one at the end.
And one at the end of the year.
That's sad.
It's been a very difficult and rocky year, not just for us, but for a lot of people in general. And I would not want to know the feeling of losing two parents in 1 year. It's so you know, but as the siblings, they're gonna get together and just have some family time and with their spouse and stuff, and just family, just having a moment of memory. I don't know if we're gonna put on any videos, but I do have a few videos that I was vlogging from before of them on their birthday, both of their birthday, or so maybe we'll end up watching some video and just going down memory lane and just, you know, talking about the good times. It's always good to remember people, the good times, not the bad. Even though you never forget the bad, but you just want to remember the good, and, you know, and just be grateful that they have one another, because I always say to my kids them that God forbid anything happened to me or Mario, they have each other as siblings, you know. So, and this is why I believe in family. Family should be close, but it's not every family see things like that, or, you know, see eye to eye, which I never understand. I always believe that family should be like this, right? And it's sad that nowadays you have you and stranger more being like this than your own biological family, which it's so sad to see. You know, it's really sad, but I guess it's a part of life. I have little man over here. He's actually just playing. He's playing, and I guess some of the kids they're outside. You're gonna go outside. If you're gonna go outside, pack up the toys and you can go. So they're gonna set up soon. They have the big kids them outside. Let me show you guys what they're doing. Let me find them. The big kids them there. They're out there playing. Look like they're playing dandy shandy with the soccer ball. Lanny Boo's Lanny Boo. Lanny Boo. Lanny Boo's over there. So the big kids them are there playing Dandy Shandy. Lanny!
Yeah.
What are you doing? Are your toes dry? Let me see your toes. So Lanny got her toes done. Ooh, cute. Oh, they're nice. Everybody is slowly getting, as one would say, my brother-in-law, titivate up for the funeral. And the house is, work has come to a halt. Just because we've been working non-stop since we've got here, and between planning the funeral and, you know, recently had other deaths in the family, like it's been a lot. So, you know, and like I said, you know, in life you should just be happy for the things that you have, the people that you surround yourself with, and surround yourself with good people, loving people, because tomorrow is not promised to nobody. 1 minute you could be here, and within a split second you are gone, just like that. And I always believing at the end of the day, no matter what, everything we come into this world, we see here, all of us is going to die and leave it here. So for me, I always says it never makes sense arguing, fighting, complaining over things that is irrelevant. You know, live life and enjoy it, because that's what we were put on this earth to, for, to procreate and enjoy life and enjoy the people then that we have around us.
Excuse.
Move, buddy. Go, just fine. She's gonna play with you. Oh, here, get your shoes. Did you pack up the toys?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Behave yourself, please. No, that's the wrong feet. Put it the other way. Put it the other way.
This one?
Yes, that's the way you put on the shoes. There you go. That's the right feet. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna turn off the fan and go outside and just see what the kids are up to. The room is a little bit messy because they were in here playing, so I'm gonna tidy back up quickly, and all that stuff. I also gotta change my sheets and stuff and get my room organized. The dog's out here catching lizards. And tidy up, and then I'll go out. So let me just go and do that. And I think Mario's gonna come home and set up his sound system. He went to the sound system. He went to go get the car cleaned up. So that is what is going on. They're just, yeah. So I'm feeling a bit tired still. Oh man, I feel a bit tired. I was looking for something for my birthday, and I still haven't found nothing. Haven't found nothing. Is this down? Yeah, so I was looking for something for my birthday and still have not found nothing, guys. So yeah, but that's okay. We're gonna do what I gotta do, and then look at this dog here. Look at the dog. There's something there. Look at her. Did you find the lizard? Oh, you found it. It's a baby lizard. Did you see the lizard was just in her mouth? Giselle. Giselle. You leave it alone. Let's see what these kids are doing. So what are you guys playing? Dandy Shandy? Sighting. Sight in the middle.
That's over here, so.
It's called monkey in the middle. We call it we call it monkey in the middle overseas.
No, monkey in the middle, you run, you try to get the ball.
No, that.
No, you call it monkey in the middle, but you still can't lick them out.
Don't catch the ball high. Look here.
Auntie.
Really, Giselle? That's why if we have shots, like.
You even make me look better than you.
I don't mind the wires.
Yeah, come on, come close. Yo.
I'm trying to go dead and
You're
I'm
supposed to
kill
be
him.
back when you go trample him, you know.
Okay, so little.
It's a toy high. I can't take it like that. We don't lick out
The joys of being able to be outside.
Oh, you're old and try to sit down over yourself. Lana, come catch one of the drinks and give me your teeth. Sorry, mommy, never say nothing touchy.
The kids are out there playing. I'm gonna sweep up, clean up the house, turn off the fan, get the place straightened up, and go take a shower, and then get ready for later. So I'll let them play and do their thing. And yeah, we have a couple of family stuff coming up that we planned on doing. So hopefully I can get footage for you guys of that as well. But like I said, I hope you guys are enjoying these Jamaican vlogs. I've been trying my best to make sure I keep up with the schedule, because yeah, girl, I've been down here and I've been really busy, but yeah, I've been so busy, but I'm just still making sure that I put out content and good quality content. I had some of you guys inbox me and tell me that you guys are loving the vlogs and they don't care what I am doing down here to vlog every and anything and put it up. Because I know some of you over there, you're stuck in the cold like myself was and miserable. So I definitely know the feeling, just to be able to sit and watch Jamaica vlogs, or just even any vlogs from the island, you know, just being outside. So thank you for those that have reached out, and I just wanted to say thank you again for everybody for the condolences for Mario's father. It means a lot to us, and we really appreciate, like when I said we really appreciate you guys, we really appreciate you guys. I know there's some people on here that don't mean us no good and don't like us, but that's okay. You know, we don't worry about that. We appreciate the ones that love and care for us and show us love and appreciation. So thank you. Thank you. I always say in life, there's going to be times where you meet people and some people are just going to look at you and don't like you for no reason. But don't ever let that get you down. You know, we all gonna come across people like that. Just do what you do best and be yourself. You can't be nothing else than yourself. So just enjoy yourself and be yourself, and hey, everything will come into play. So let me go get this place tidy up and go take a shower and get myself together. Yeah, and I'll be back. All right, guys, so it is nighttime. Oh, that breeze is cold. What do you mean, Dabinary? What? Thank God we bed already. What? The breeze cold, yes? So, we are here, and the guys and I are finally setting up to get the grill going over there. They're having a late start, and I'm here eating some chicken neck. So some, what do you call it, on the grill chicken neck. Really good. With some hot sauce and ketchup. All I'm missing now is a slice of bread. I'm missing a slice of bread.
Oh, thank you.
So it's gonna be a nice chill night tonight. We're just here eating, having a nice family gathering, and that is all we are doing. Now look at the kids them. Look, they're partying. What am I trying to get the sound system?
I bring the big one up now.
Oh, go get on camera here.
Oh, not piece of piece.
Look funny how the greedy people are.
Yeah, mommy. Yeah. You got one bag of bread now.
Yeah, you know, if you're one, you hide yours.
I'm not hiding mine. I didn't get
We
any
are going this
ketchup.
way. We are going. No, man, weird.
Yeah, bring your chicken, come and put the ketchup on it.
Come and put it on myself. Mario, I'm me fully up in a me fully up.
Oh, you go cut off your hand, Panny.
Mario, come now.
Me nah give you none.
Mario, tap me
No.
now, man.
If you want
5 seconds.
No,
Mario, I can't
no,
count to.
No, me nah give you.
Mommy.
No, mommy.
Mario, I'm me fully up in a.
Faith, you have the iron in your hand, you know? We're hot. Everybody at
Mario,
home.
tappy.
Ma-
Chop. If you're me with the hand, me about. Mommy. Mario, stop. So, give me ketchup now.
No,
Son, you ever catch him to eat and the dance?
as a food seed.
Yo, you know your dance for the foot, fit go down in the foot. No make it hand pan the gut, down in the foot, it must go. So you have to dance. Mario, 5 seconds. You can't
Here,
here.
here.
So me win.
So you not give me the ketchup?
Chicken nice.
Me not get the ketchup.
See ketchup there.
And the easy. What is it? I should run. Done. We pot empty. How are in your soap? Outside. Empty. Empty pot.
You get bread already?
Yes, I got bread. Mario, come give me sauce of bread.
You get some bread?
Sauce of bread. And come with the bread.
Just you ketchup on you. You like?
Me? Me not ketchup on you. No, some ketchup. I should have put 2 fish on the grill. Lord of mercy. So, you don't know better? Eh? You see how much I win a yard?
Enough chicken.
Yeah, you come like a family of chicken. All only eat a chicken. All the dogs, they wait for them share. All the dogs waiting for their share. So you look red. Like you didn't drink rum. Oh gosh. So hey guys, I just came to end out the vlog. It is late and your girl is completely exhausted. I am beat. It was just nice having all the family together, all the grandkids and everybody together here. Boy, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little vlog. Yes, it was just a nice family gathering, nothing too big, just, you know, family spend some quality time, having some laugh, reminiscing, and, you know, just loving and being around each other and just enjoying each other company. So that is what our day was. Today's been a late. I started vlogging really late. Late today. We weren't doing much, just having a more relaxing day than anything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you are not yet subscribed, pause and hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for to join the Williams fam? So, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, where it's always a vibes over here. I hope you guys enjoys today festivities. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.